7 real ways how to make money on Instagram. This is the video in which I am going to show you 7 different methods that you can use on your Instagram profile and can make money online. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, then I have placed a link in the description box below. You can start your journey from today. So let's start it with today's video, and let's move to our different methods of making money from Instagram. There are literally tons of ways you can use Instagram, but I am just compiling in this video 7 most popular ways, and let's look at one by one. That is, the first one is affiliate marketing, second one is Google AdSense, third one is selling shoutouts, fourth one is flipping Instagram accounts, fifth one is Instagram client management, sixth one growing and selling Instagram accounts, and seventh one is consulting. So let's start with the first method, that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the most simplest form of method in which you are just promoting someone else's product. You do not need to create your own product. Just visit different affiliate marketplaces, take those products and promote those products to your audience. You do not need to create your own product. You do not need to maintain your inventory. Just pick up a product, send traffic to your link, and once people start buying product from your link, you will earn affiliate commission. The most popular platform that you can use with Instagram is ClickBank. Just move to the clickbank.com, select your product according to your niche, and take your affiliate link and put that link into your Instagram profile. This is Instagram profile. I have already placed that link into my profile section, and I have shortened up that link from bit.ly. If anyone click on that link and actually buy that product, I will earn affiliate commission. My profile is related to make money at digital marketing, so I have placed that link related to my niche. So let's suppose if you're working on a fitness niche, you should pick up a fitness product and place your affiliate link into the profile section. So once you have a large number of followers, they keep clicking on that link, definitely 5 to 10% of the people will actually end up buying that product, and you will earn affiliate commission. So that's the most popular form of making money from Instagram method. I recommend you to start your journey with affiliate marketing because it is the most simplest form of method and everyone can do that. The second method is Google AdSense. Google AdSense is typically related to the affiliate marketing. What you can do, let's suppose you have running a blog and you have monetized your blog using Google AdSense. Instagram is actually a platform where millions of the people daily visit that platform. So you can generate tons of traffic from Instagram to your blog. All you need is to share your website address or blog post link here. So if anyone from Instagram click on that link, they will actually move to your blog post or website. And if you have already placed Google ads on your blog or website, definitely thousands of people, 10 to 15% of the people will actually click on your ads. So that's how you can make money from Google AdSense using Instagram. Literally hundreds and thousands of people using social media channels for promoting their blogs, and they're driving tons of traffic from social media platform to their blog and making some handsome money from Google AdSense. So now let's move to our third method, that is selling shoutouts. Selling shoutouts is actually a promotion. You can just call it Instagram promotion. Let's suppose if someone reached to you and you have an Instagram account that has a large number of followers. Let's suppose you have 50,000 followers. So a guy reached to you and just required you a shout out for his own Instagram account in order to promote or for promotion purposes. So let's suppose that guy pays you $50 for promotion, and once you receive that money, you will shout out for his products or services or his Instagram profile. So that's how that person account will be shout out to your audience or to your followers, and there is a traffic moving from your account to that account. So that guy will also increase its follower base or sell his product to your followers. This is currently one of the most leading form of business in Instagram right now, but make sure you have a large number of followers in order to make money from shoutouts. There are different platforms out there. What you can do, you can just reach out to those platforms and list your profile there, show your stats. People will start reaching you and they will pay you according to your need. It all depends upon your followers base. Once you have a large followers base, you can charge more, but typically it starts with $15 to $20 for a single shout out. The fourth method is flipping Instagram accounts. This method is really simple and it just works like flipping website. Let's suppose you have bought an account for $100 and you sell that account for $1,000. So there is a margin of $900 you can earn from flipping Instagram accounts. But in order to flip better price than the buying price, you need to do a little bit of work. There are some softwares out there which can do the automation process and which can increase your follower space. So you can buy that at a lower price and then sell at a good premium and earn the difference amount. So you can also earn some handsome money. I have seen people who are using different softwares. They just grow those profiles and sell Instagram accounts at a good margin. So what you can do, just move to different platforms, buy Instagram accounts, promote those Instagram accounts using those softwares. You can literally search for different softwares out there that can do the task for you, and once you have a good followers base, you can sell those accounts at a good margin. The fifth one is Instagram client management. Let's suppose you are working on a Fiverr, Upwork or other platforms and you have created a gig related to the Instagram. So those businesses will come to you and they will ask you to outsource their Instagram profile work to you. So what you can do, you can just increase their followers, or they may totally outsource their content, followers or other related Instagram work to you. It all depends upon your skill level. Once you show them results, they will definitely provide you more accounts. This is how you are going to charge those clients thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. The sixth one is growing and selling Instagram accounts. It is just similar to the flipping Instagram accounts, but here you have created a fresh Instagram account and add those accounts into different softwares. These are automation softwares that will do all the tasks, all the work on Instagram, and they can grow your Instagram profile on automation. So once those profiles become developed or grow, you can sell these accounts on different places for some premium. So that's how literally I have seen many people are doing this strategy and they are making some handsome money out there. It all depends upon whether you want to flip Instagram accounts or you just create those accounts on your own and grow those accounts and then sell those accounts to different people. The seventh one is consulting. Consulting is just like you have a brand and you have just created a YouTube channel and people know about your expertise. You have shown them results, so people will start contacting you. They will contact you on a YouTube channel, they will contact you on Skype, they will contact you on your website or any other method you have shown to those people. So when those people reach out to you, they will ask you some strategies. They will ask you how to grow their Instagram account, how to increase the follower base, how to make money from Instagram, and different tips and strategies they are going to ask from you. So what you can do, you can charge those clients on an hourly or on a project basis. So once those people get to a result, they will definitely provide you more work. This is how many people are making money from consulting business. It all depends on which type of method you use. These are all working methods and people are making some handsome money after using those methods. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.